So how can you get a new home for less than a new truck? Well, let's take a look at one of our manufactured homes, the Champion Model 101, and show you just how you can get a new home for less than a price of a new truck. The Champion Model 101 is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,216 square foot, single section manufactured home. All of the colors inside and outside of the home are optional. You can select different siding, roofing, flooring, cabinets, countertops, walls, appliances, and a whole lot more. This home features an upgraded insulation package that will save you every month on your utility bills. Our Champion Model 101 is also equipped with a double pane, low-E insulated window. These windows are more energy efficient than your standard windows. So why rent when you can own a quality, affordable home by Kentucky Dream Homes? There are lenders now financing almost any credit score, and financing options in many cases are much faster and much easier on a manufactured home. You can now fill out an online credit application on our website, KentuckyDreamHomes.com, or come by and visit one of our 3 locations and walk through some of our incredible homes. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we guarantee the lowest prices, and we are family owned and operated, and we believe in treating all of our customers like family. As you can see, this Champion Model 101 is one of our best values. With 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms at 1,216 square feet, it is also one of our best values per square foot. We have many more homes to choose from at Kentucky Dream Homes. We have a home for everyone. From our family to yours, thank you for shopping with us.